Hello guys, welcome to another class of Vidhai. This video is brought to you by Exams Possible team of Vidhai. Exams Vidhai is a non-profit initiative by the students of IIITDM Kancheepuram. This is the second part of Venn diagrams. In this video, we will be seeing some previous year questions. Moving forward, example 1. Rectangle indicates the people who are in business, triangle indicates people who are in sports, and circle indicates people who are educated. So we have three shapes here which represent different sections of people. Now based on this information, we shall answer the questions. What does code B indicate? So we need to find which section of the people does the letter B represent. For this, we follow a two-step process. First we find the area represented by this letter B. From the diagram, we find the letter B represents the area of intersection of the circle and the rectangle, which is nothing but the shaded region. Now that we have found out the area, the second step would be to identify the set operation. In the previous video, we have seen that intersection of two sets A and B means the set of elements that are common to both A as well as B. So here, code B represents the section of people who are into business and are educated. Hence, the correct answer would be option C. Moving on to the next question. The code for the people in sports but not in business are. Here, we again follow the two-step process but in the reverse order. Basically, the set operation followed here is the difference operation. That is, the set of people in sports minus the set of people into business. And if you could recall the definition and examples discussed in the previous video, you will be able to find the following shaded region as the representation of this section of people. So from this, we get the codes representing this section of the people as D and E. Hence, the correct answer would be option C. Moving on to the next question. The code for the educated people who are in business as well as in sports is. So here we need to find the area representing those people who are educated and into business as well as sports. This is simply the intersection of the three sets. So we need to find the area of intersection of the triangle, the circle and the rectangle, which is the shaded region. So from this we get the code representing this area as C. Hence the correct option would be option B. Now we move on to the second example. In this example, there will be some questions and we need to find the Venn diagram that best explains the relation among the elements in question. So moving on to the first question, birds, tigers and peacocks. Here we have three sets, set of birds, set of tigers and set of peacocks. Let us first consider the set of birds. Now we know that peacock is a kind of bird, which means that peacock is a subset of the set of birds. So this is how we represent a subset. Further, the set of tigers does not share any intersection with the set of birds. Hence, the correct answer would be option 3. We move on to the next question. Human beings, Indians, Tamilians. Again, we consider the set of human beings. And we know that all Indians are human beings. And so is a subset of the set of human beings. Similarly, the set of Tamilians is again a subset of the set of Indians. Hence, the first Venn diagram correctly represents this class. Now we have one more question. Similar. Football fans, cricket fans and kabaddi fans. Here, there is a possibility that a football fan is also a fan of cricket. Similarly, a cricket fan could also be a fan of kabaddi. Or a person could be a fan of all the three sports. Hence, this type of Venn diagram would have intersection with each of the three circles. And so, this second Venn diagram would correctly represent this class. With this, we conclude the Venn diagrams. Do check the description below for extra questions and lecture notes. Thank you for watching.